Landon on the remix. GMB, I see you, brother. If the world were to end today, you good with your story, boy? You good with your sins? You sure you know where you're going? Who's standing there with you? Are you good with that?
If it's the end, I face it with faith and reflection. One hand on hope, one on lessons from my direction. They say heaven got peace, streets got stories. I've been walking both paths, chasing grace and my glory. Prayed through the storms, rose from the ash. Woke up stronger from nights that crash. Would I change it? Nah, pain shaping my soul. Every scar's a chapter, making me whole. Regrets fade slow, but growth stays near. Kept my fire burning through the fear. God sees the heart, mirrors show the fight. When I look deep, I own my life.
Beautiful life, confidence radiating. Trials come heavy, but faith keeps waiting. Choices stacked up, but grace stays true. When the end comes calling and I know what to do.
If the world ends today, I'm standing tall in my truth. Every lesson, every growth, owning my youth. Ain't no peace without storms, no light without rain. If I meet my maker tonight, embracing my journey. I'm good with my story.
Through joy and the pain.
Yeah, should I rewind the tape? Take a cleaner route, maybe, but nah. That struggle built a house, seen light in the shadows, strength in the grind. Gained miles on my soul while leaving weak behind. Trade scars for shine, man, that deal's a loss. I missed the real talk that made me the boss. Empty flash, ain't it? I'm rooted in the real. Heart pounding truth, that's the ultimate thrill. Play it safe, I be numb, no feel in the game. Rather ride these waves than live quiet and tame. Spirit rich forever, pockets might be light, but soul stay heavy, burning bright in the night.
If the world ends today, I'm standing tall in my truth. Every lesson, every growth, owning my youth. Ain't no peace without storms, no light without rain. If I meet my maker tonight, embracing my journey. I'm good with my story.
Through joy and the pain.
So where would I be? Chasing lights that don't last. Empty smiles, hollow winds from the past. But here I stand, breathing, growing, believing, holding my truth, finally achieving. My peace ain't perfect, it's real discerned. From kids, from love, from lessons learned. If the end comes tonight, I'll face it with grace. Whisper thanks to the sky in my place.
If the world ends today, standing tall in my truth. Every lesson, every growth, owning my youth. Ain't no peace without storms, no light without rain. If I meet my maker tonight, embracing my journey.
Yeah.
I'm good with my story.
Through joy and the pain. So if the world ends today, I'm good with it. I done grown, love deep, live true. And if that's the legacy, then let it stand tall.